Get out the way. Get out the way. I'm coming right for you. Get out the way.
Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's been enjoying this glorious weather we've had for the last couple of days. I know I have spent a bit time down the allotments and getting a lot of work done, so it's been brilliant. But this is not an allotment channel, so today we are doing issue 39 of the Toyota Supra. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave us a comment if you want, and I will get back to you. So without further ado, let's crack on. Right, magazine time. Quick flick through the magazine. So Toyota Supra 39. Well, there we go. As I say, it's lovely weather we're having, but tomorrow's supposed to be going to be changing. This is Wednesday night I'm talking on, so this by the time this goes out, it'll probably be well and truly over. I'll be into the weekend. So we're doing the exhaust pipe 2. So basically, getting the post out, putting that on, putting a bit we're done on last time into there, and that's it. So not much to do in this issue, so we'll see how it goes. So there's the ports. We'll get them open and we'll crack on. Okay, we'll get this part, the exhaust. Presume it's exhaust. It'll fit on there. That's going to fit on there, and that's going to fit together with 2 IM screws. One. I should have put some oil on there. Put some oil on this one. Makes it go a bit easier. Okay. We're now going to flip the core. We're going to take this off. Okay. We'll take this off somehow. It's just clipped on, but I don't know. I've got to get that under there. I've got to get that in there somehow. Where is this clipped on? Okay. Oh, slack that, isn't it? Let's see if we can tighten that. That was rather slack. Let's see how that will go. Okay, I've took that off. Now I have to fit this in. So it looks like it's somehow that goes. Okay, let's see if I can show you. That goes in there like so. That's pointing up. Keep the thumb on that because I don't want it to fall off. And this goes in here. That's it, like so. And then this goes back on here. Yep. Oh, look, that's turned around. The other one it goes in who's turned around. These are loose. So that goes in there. And this goes back on. There. And see, is that issue is done. Bit slack, but not keep dropping out. Because once we come to the next part, it'll probably fix it in properly. But that's that. These two are for the next one. So, hope you watched that little short one. So I'll say thank you for watching. Please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. So bye for now.